The new generation of machine we are currently either putting on the market or that we are still designing are completely designed to answer industrial questions. The first thing is that these machines, of course, will answer to health and safety, which is really important, but we will offer some tailor-made solutions to our customers. For instance, and I can take several examples, a customer could have several expectations regarding productivity. So we will be able to deliver to this customer either one laser, low productivity, or 4 lasers, all working together, providing a very high level of productivity. We are also providing machines which will be, operational independently of the choice of the powder. We know that the choice of the powder is critical regarding, for instance, the surface quality at the end of the process. And so that's why we promote either fine powder, which will deliver real outstanding performance in terms of quality of surface, or medium powder, which is the main powder on the market right now, with the same machine. The other point which is really important also is that if we want to tackle the obsolescence issue, we need to have new upgrade of the machines independently of, let's say, very cash and hard solutions. So we need to develop digital solutions which will allow, with the same technology or nearly, to multiply by 2, by 3 or by 4. We've got some tests right now with multiply by 4 productivity KPIs.